Hello everyone, myself Grishma here. The topic which we are going to discuss is about binary search iterative method. Let us see how this binary search iterative method will work. Let us get to know about binary search first. Binary search, it is a searching technique, one of the method to search. We have two methods to search. One is linear and the other is binary search. Binary search will follow divide and conquer strategy, where divide and conquer strategy means the size of the problem is large and it is broken down into sub problems. After the sub-problems is solved, they combine them together to get the solution from a main problem. This is nothing but about the binary search. Next, let us get to know about what is binary search algorithm and how does binary search algorithm works on binary search problems in the following slide. Binary search algorithm. The binary search algorithm will take array, size and the key to search, and L stands for low, H stands for high. L position will be the first position and the H high position will be the last position of an array. And we take here a while condition. If the while condition is true, it will enter into the loop. If it is false, it will exit the loop and return the element is not found. If low, where the condition we can see here is if low is less than or equal to high, it will enter into the loop and it will find the mid, which we have a formula to find the mid is L plus H by 2, which is low plus high divided by 2. And if key is equal to the element, it will return the element is found. If the key is less than the element, the H will be changed to mid minus 1. If the key is greater than the element, the L will be changed, which is mid plus 1. If the while condition is false, it will comes out of the loop and it will print the element is not found. Now here the time complexity of binary search is two types, min time and max time. Min time complexity of binary search is big O of 1. The max time complexity of binary search is big O of log n. Now let us see how to solve binary search problems. Binary search problem works like first and the foremost thing to perform a binary search, the list must be in a sorted order. In the above problem, we can see we have 15 elements and they are arranged in an array in a sorted order. And for each elements, the position is given to the respective elements. To perform binary search, we need two index pointer. One is low and the other one is high. The low will be at the starting point and the high will be at the ending point. We can see here the low is at the first position and the high is at the last position of the array. Now, in the next slide, let us see how this problem works and how to find a key from this problem given. Let us see how to solve binary search problem. On the slide, as we can see, we have a problem with 15 elements and it is in an array. It is arranged in sorted order and each element is given a respective position. The key which we have to find is 42. Now let us take high and low from the given problem. The low is the first position. The high is the last position, which is nth position, that is 15. And to find a mid, we have a formula L plus H by 2, which is nothing but low plus high by 2. So low and high. Low is 1, high is 15. So 1 plus 15 divided by 2 is 8. The mid will be the 8th position, which is 29. Let us consider the element which is in 8th position and the key. The key is greater than the mid. So now, as we saw in the algorithm, when the key is greater than the mid, the L position will be changed, which is mid plus 1. Mid is 8 plus 1 is 9. So the low position will be 9. So the low is 9, high is 15. 9 plus 15 divided by 2 is 12. The mid is now the 12th position, which is 47. Let us compare the mid and the key. Mid is 47, key is 42. So key is less than mid, where now the H high position will be changed. As we saw in algorithm, when key is less than the element, the high position will be mid plus 1. Mid is 12. No, mid minus 1. Mid is 12 minus 1 is 11. So the ith position will be 11. So now low is 9, high is 11. 9 plus 11 divided by 2 is 10. The 10th position is mid, which is 36. Let us compare key and the mid. 42 is greater than 36. 42 is greater than 36. Again, now the low position will change, as we saw in algorithm, where mid plus 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. The low position will be 11, and already high position is in 11. So to find mid, high is 11, low is 11. To find mid, we have a formula low plus high divided by 2, that is 22 by 2, which is again 11. So the mid position is at 11th position, and let us compare the mid and the key, which is equal to, so the element is found. For this, we have found the mid from 4 comparison, because we used binary search algorithm. If we use linear search to find the same key, that is 42, we need 11 comparison, because the 42 key which we need is at the 11th position. So when we use linear comparison, linear search, we need 11 comparisons to find the key which we need. But in binary search, we have got in 4 comparisons. This is how binary search looks faster than the linear search, and the time complexity for binary search is less compared to the linear search. Thank you. Hope you all understood the topic called binary search and how to solve related problems on binary search. Thank you, everyone.